Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a silk press on my client. We getting her ready for her baby shower. This is her hair after we had freshly washed it, deconditioned it, give her a steam treatment, and now she's ready to go. Okay, first things first, I'm going with my leave-in conditioner. This is my emergency miracle treatment. This is going to make sure her hair stays moisturized while we do all these heat treatments. And then I'm going in with Lay Dew, which is my blow dry cream, and that is the holy grail for making sure her hair stays juicy and moisturized after getting blow dried, because you know that crunchy feeling after you blow dry. And then lastly, I'm going to seal all that goodness in with my amethyst oil, and that also has heat protection, so that's going to seal in, lock in that moisture, give us that shine, and it actually speeds up drying time. Now, after applying my products in that order, I'm ready to go in with my blow dry. Now, I'm using my Babyliss blow dryer and my Olivia Garden round brush. I don't know, like the duo together, it just leaves the hair bouncy, straight, and that blow dryer keeps my hair feeling moisturized. When it comes to a silk press, I'm a firm believer that the blow dry is the most important part because it is laying the foundation for not only the flat iron, but just to keep the hair straighter for longer. If you don't have a straight, pristine, sleeky blowout, then the flat iron can only do so much. As you see, when it comes to blow drying, I get in there. I'm moving that hair around. I'm moving that brush around. You don't want to go over the same section so many times by high heat. That's why when you go to other salons and get a blowout, you notice heat damage is because they're going over the same section over and over again with such high heat. You want to keep moving that heat around. Don't stay in one place for too long. Alright, and after the blow dry, it's time for the flat iron. I should have showed y'all what it looked like when I fully blown out the hair, but I didn't get the shot, y'all. Next time. But I'm going in with my Babyliss flat iron. Again, you can tell by the Babyliss blue. And I just love this flat iron. I've had it for 4 years. Like, shout out to this flat iron because it literally just lasts the test of time. And it just never fails me. I'm also using my Olivia Garden carbon comb, the heat resistant combs. I'm just super brand loyal. Once I find a brand that I like, I just stick with it. They really get the hair silky, but also keeps the hair moisturized. And the combs, it just gives me like the handle that I need. And here's the final results. Look at the shine, look at the bounce. And it's not only from the tools, but it's so important the products you use when you are silk pressing your hair. It will keep the hair moisturized for longer and silky for longer. Like I said, we getting her ready for her baby shower, so I'm going in with my In Control hairspray, and that's gonna fight against humidity. And it has an adjustable nozzle for how strong I wanna use it. And I got it on low just to give it a nice mist and not too crunchy, but help to get her to her baby shower without the heat from the summer getting to her silk press. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next.